Hey everyone, welcome back. It's Jojo with
And it's me, Shutzpa.
Spa. Let's go to the last bounce. Apparently, there's a last time he's bouncing.
All right, Gorilla Bounce कब शुरू की थी? It
I
feels like a
know.
really long
It
time,
feels
many
like it
many
was a
months
new
back.
year. और अभी New Year होने वाला है. you know. Yeah.
कड़वा सच.
I
Yes,
can't
that's
believe this
true.
year is anyway. Let's not go there. These are sad things की बातें नहीं करेंगे. This is called तेरा हुआ ना कभी. This also sounds
We can
sad.
say the very thing to this year also. Yes, exactly. Yeah,
So
correct.
sad.
Chalo.
That's true. Okay, this is with Highborn, ex Highborn, produced by
Okay.
Section 8 and mixed mastered by Shiv, lyrics and composed by King and Highborn, female lead Garvita Mehra. Okay. It's gonna be a love
Nice.
song, King style,
Yeah.
vibes, wo yaar vibe. Okay, let's do it.
Yes.
Last
Ready.
bounce. 1, 2, 3, play. My neck is only hurting.
तेरा हुआ न मैं कभी चल किसी और का सही मुझसे खफा हो के तू जो गई कहना ना तूने क्यों रोका नहीं मैं रह लूंगा तुझसे जुदा होके भी पर मुझ जैसा मिलना तुझे ना कभी तेरा हुआ न मैं कभी चल किसी और का ही सही हाँ हो गए हम दीवाने ये बहाने झूठा ना तुझसा कोई तेरा हुआ न मैं कभी चल किसी और का सही हो गए हम दीवाने ये बहाने झूठा ना तुझसा कोई वो ना तुझसा कोई वो गलती इतनी सारी थी तुमने करी और करके गलती एक भी मानती हो नहीं मेरे हिस्से की जो थी खुशी वो सबको हो जाके क्यों बांट दी अब मैंने लौट के तेरे पास है आना नहीं सोया नहीं काफी रातों से जागू मैं ख्वाबों में किया बेकाबू है उसके इस जादू में सुन के हैरान हूँ मैं क्या तुझे अब भी याद हूँ मैं मुझसे खफा हो के तू जो गई कहना ना तूने क्यों रोका नहीं मैं रह लूंगा तुझसे जुदा होके भी मुझे ऐसा मिलना तुझे ना कभी तेरा हुआ ना मैं कभी चल किसी और का ही सही हाँ हो गए हम दीवाने ये बहाने झूठा ना तुझसा कोई तेरा हुआ ना मैं कभी चल किसी और का सही हो गए हम दीवाने ये बहाने झूठा ना तुझसा कोई वो ना तुझसा कोई किंग आंखों में छुपाता जो पल मेरे सामने सच कभी नहीं आते और भूल चुका था ये सच दिल टूटे गम लौट के नहीं जाते अब क्या ही बताएं सच बस रूह एक मेरी लगे सारे छूटे और दुख भी हुआ जब तारों से ज्यादा थे सपने हमारे मैं तभी फिर रातों में लेके उन बातों को हाथों में लेके जो तोड़े उन ख्वाबों को थोड़ा हैरान हूँ मैं क्या तुझे अब भी याद हूँ मैं भले तुम मेरा ना भी साथ दो चाहे दिल औरों में बांट दो तुम रह लेना मुझसे खफा होके भी पर मुझ जैसा मिलना तुझे ना कभी तेरा हुआ ना मैं कभी चल किसी और का ही सही हाँ हो गए हम दीवाने ये बहाने झूठा ना तुझसा कोई तेरा हुआ ना मैं कभी चल किसी और का सही हो गए हम दीवाने ये बहाने झूठा ना तुझसा कोई वो ना तुझसा कोई वो
album out now. Finally.
Okay. I got
Yay.
Highborn was singing, right? Like Highborn was
Mm.
also singing. It's not that he was only lip syncing to King, right? Because their
Mm.
voices were so similar that
Mm.
it really took me a lot of focus to say, nahi, ye awaaz jo hai, it's not like only one person is singing with little harmony. Actually, two separate people. Their singing style and their voice texture is so similar. It's very
Mm.
confusing. And it's the first time it's happened where, I'm listening to someone else with King and the voice is so similar that I'm getting confused. Like it's never
Mm.
happened before. So that was like one thing that definitely stood out for me. By the end of the song, I was actually like kind of really feeling it. Iska hook बहुत sweet सा है. Like I kind of like it. I
Mm.
didn't feel the video that much. मतलब कुछ था नहीं वीडियो में. At least like एक वो होता है ना कि something more. मुझे वीडियो में certain bits थोड़े forced लग रहे थे. ऐसा लग रहा था पता नहीं या तो वो शूट करते करते थक गए तो सर चलो यार अब भी शूट करके खत्म करो करना तो है ही like
I'm sure the female lead got tired because she just had to stand there and look at them. Just like just look at the camera. Don't do anything
उसका तो
else.
footage में ही काम हो गया होगा ना. No, but I kind of liked her. I liked how it was very minimalistic, and the thing that they were
Yeah,
trying to
that was
establish
nice.
that we're both these guys, and they're probably the two men in her life, and दोनों को उससे शिकवाए, which is very like convenient. But चलो वहाँ नहीं जाएंगे. We'll just stick to like what we saw. I didn't quite understand वो जो background में dancing चल रही थी ना. वो मुझे मतलब I understand what was being tried. I understand. I get it कि क्या करने की कोशिश की जा रही थी. But वीडियो थोड़ा ठंडा लगा मुझे. Very honestly speaking, because
Yeah.
we've seen better. We've seen better from King. So
Yeah.
like हम negative में क्यों जाएंगे? हम तो better में जाएंगे ना. तो इसलिए. So but गाना अच्छा था. Hook अच्छा था. I really liked the hook. I didn't feel too much for the lyrics also because I'm done. I'm done with these crying रोना धोना and like इतने वादे किए तूने छोड़ के चली गई. ठीक है मेरे जैसा कोई नहीं मिलेगा कोई और सही. That's the grain you expect from King.
Yeah, it's yeah.
In the past, remember how the previous song when we heard people like, "Arey, this is how he's going to do this, like fresh in like Gorilla Bounce. If he's going to go like this, please go for it. Keep making more." यहाँ पे वो नहीं था. ये यहाँ पे वो बात चली गई थी इस गाने में. So yeah, like super honestly, this is what I felt. Like I really like King's voice and I like his feel and I like the whole grooviness, but कहीं पे कुछ हो गया. ये वाला गाना ठंडा.
Yeah.
What about you?
No, I agree with you on the voices sounding similar because if you're watching the video, you'll see it's two different people. But I feel if you listen to it on audio, you won't be able to tell that it's someone else
No
joining
chance.
him. So I don't know if their voices are similar. It was the treatment used in the mixing and mastering. Either way, it was just the vibe of the song remained constant through both the people's verses because the voices sounded very similar. This song for me is a song that I know people will feel like they can loop it, and it's very radio friendly. It's got that "Tu aake dekh le" wala vibe that people will just loop it and listen to it for the melody of it and the rhythm.
That's the song I was thinking about constantly. Okay,
yes. Even the groove was like even the change in the sort of
structure. Yeah, I hear you.
When the verses changed, even that sort of going a little deeper, that whole tonality change, that very strongly just reminded me of "Tu Aake Dekh Le," and I know people who don't listen to a lot of independent music, who don't listen to a lot of independent musicians or even hip hop in general. They don't know anything about the scene, but they've heard King's "Tu Aake Dekh Le" and they've looped it, and it's playing.
I've looped it.
And it's playing on radio stations in even in Dubai where normally stuff independent stuff doesn't play a lot, so I'm just saying that has a very commercial sound to it. Loopability factor is high, and that I got from this song as well, completely through and through from start to finish. It's like you will just enjoy this song when it's playing, but what the song was saying was just like been there, heard that, nothing very profound. It was just like okay. I think I think all the guys will just love it because they all have had a girl who has like left them. I mean, hopefully not all of you but there's a little badass taking out like you would find someone like me and you were so dishonest and you did this and you did that, and it was like for me it was just like itna kyun kisi ko blame kar rahe ho, like the relationship is over, let it leave it in dignity and peace and let it be. Wish them well and move on.
और अगर घुसना ही है तो आपने क्या किया कि she took that step? सवाल वो भी है.
I mean, we won't. Yeah, it takes two to tango. It's all good. This is his side of it. Is fine. The resulting song is good in its sound and its vibe and its melody. So definitely see the song doing well in the charts and in like I don't know if they have a lot of independent music playing on radio stations in India. I hope they do, but this can definitely go on air. as is,
Yeah.
you know? And it's good to see that he's finally concluded the album. The album that has left us confused at so many stages. जो starting with story शुरू हुई थी वो तो is like lost.
हाँ, वो कहाँ गई? वो चमकती आंखें आज भी मुझे याद आती हैं.
I know. It is. He left it at that jungle only where we left the last scene.
Like that's why in this also that one little jhalki from the window we saw, and I remembered that pad which had polythenes on it from like that one song.
I remember that random flash of the two of them standing in the jungle, and I'm like, there is a gorilla somewhere in some jungle who is now chewing on this story. Terrible.
In case you guys are wondering what are we talking about, just like go to all the previous reactions for Gorilla Pounce. You'll get to know what are we talking about.
The second or third, I think, was the last video with any reference to that angle, that story angle. But anyway, good. It's out now on all platforms. Go stream the album. And waiting for King's next. Actually, no, let the guy breathe. It's all good. Everyone enjoy this album. It takes a lot to put an album out and to put it together. Enjoy it. Don't demand new music from him for a while. Let him do it at his own pace. That's all we have to say. Hai na? Chalo. On that note, check out Ms. Bohla's website. All her audio stuff is on there, all her shows and books and everything that she's up to. And support the channel. And we'll see you in the next one. Long and prosper.